Day 40, page 888, problem 18. We did a problem like this last year, but it bears repeating. It turns out, and it'll hopefully be supported again with this diagram, as poorly as it might be drawn, but I think you see the idea here. Side view, the dashed image here is the image, the virtual image you would see, quote unquote, behind a mirror. The black line in the middle is the mirror, the 3-foot mirror. You only need a mirror that's half your height to see your total height. This distance right here to the mirror is 10 feet. And then your image will also be 10 feet behind the mirror. All right, bottom line is what happens is light, say from your feet, goes up, hits the mirror, that's where the bottom edge of the mirror would be. I almost got that. And goes into your eyes. That's the actual path of the light. Your brain says, okay, my feet are over there. That's not too bad. But that one we don't care about a whole lot. What we care about is like where the top of the mirror is. And then the bottom of the mirror will be 3 feet below it. But it's real hard to show you 4 inches here when we're given the scale of 10 feet and 6 feet. But the top of the head, for the person to see the image of their top of their head, light from your actual top of your actual head up here goes to the mirror. There's a slight downhill slope to that line because it has to go down a total of 4 inches, but it goes down 2 inches. I should make that solid. It goes down 2 inches traveling to the mirror, and then it goes down another 2 inches when it goes into your eye. It's a total downward path of 4 inches, 2 inches on the way to the mirror, 2 inches on the way back. But bottom line is, if I follow that backwards, then your actual brain says, okay, the top of your head's over there. So that mirror, geometrically speaking, is only 3 feet. If you do the proportions of all the triangles involved, let me just highlight that once again here. This triangle right here, this triangle, right, is one big triangle with a small triangle similar right here, which includes the mirror, but this has to be 3 feet because this segment over here, the height of the person over here is 6 feet, and the mirror is halfway between the image and the object. All right, but the question still remains, where is this mirror? Well, the top of the mirror is 2 inches lower than the top of his head. So it's at the top of the mirror is at 5'10". That means the bottom of the mirror is at 2 feet 10 inches because it's not quite, it's just 2 inches below the 3-foot mark. So this height is 2 feet 10 inches. That's where the top of the mirror is. That's your answer. That's where the bottom of the mirror is, I should say. Because the top of the mirror is at 5 feet 10 inches.